All right, so we're back at the Tesla delivery center in Tampa. My buddy's picking up his Cybertruck. I'm kind of jealous, but we're gonna check it out and give you guys a checklist, first impressions, and just pretty much the setup of the car. So, it's like they put out the red carpet for you, dude.
They actually got the light show that's getting ready to start.
Oh man, sheesh. That front headlight strip is nice, dude.
It looks so different in person than just seeing it online. Kill them at the light show in the neighborhood, baby.
Yeah, I know. The front trunk's opening.
Oh.
I was just wondering, because on my car, the rear trunk opens, but okay, it makes sense for this one to come up.
See the windows. Windows are going up and down.
Damn, this thing is nice, boy. Dude, every time you go to a supercharger station, everybody's gonna be like, oh my God! What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the Gould's Gaming and Tech channel. We are here at the Tesla Delivery Center in Tampa, Florida. I'm here with my buddy Chris right here. And you can see he got this mammoth of I don't even know, I wouldn't even classify this as a car, because this is like, it's like next level stuff. And it's bulletproof on top of that. I've seen tons of videos of people testing the bulletproof frame of the car, and it actually stands up. So you getting a Tesla, who knows if an apocalypse or something might happen, at least you have a bulletproof car that looks crazy sick on the streets. How do you feel about getting this car?
Listen, man, I'm excited. I put in my reservation the first day they released it in November of 2019.
You were waiting a long
time.
long time.
Long time. And then, I mean, it still feels surreal that it's actually here.
Yeah.
And so, I mean, I look forward to, you know, getting to learn the car or the truck or whatever you want to call it. And I'm curious to see what type of celebrity I'm gonna build out there.
Yeah. I thought this car was like gonna be taller for some reason, but it's reasonable height. I mean, it's classified as a pickup truck, I guess.
Yeah.
But much more than that, it's like a pickup mixed with hatchback, but also has like a lot of capabilities that a regular sedan has because it's so agile and I guess nimble, and the steer-by-wire system. This has like a safety feature to doors, because I was worried about, everybody's worried about like fingerprints and stuff like that, but
as far as snapping your finger off?
yeah, it like you can't like push it in like once it's like cracked open, which is crazy. What made you want to get this in particular? What made you believe in it so early?
I got a Model S in 2016, and then I always said I want a pickup truck. But after getting a Model S, I said I won't ever buy anything besides a Tesla anymore.
That's how I feel. I feel the same way. Yeah.
So I was like, whenever Tesla makes a truck, I'm buying it. I don't care what it looks like. I'm buying it.
Yeah.
So I mean, I always wanted a pickup truck, and then when I drove a Tesla, it was like I'm not buying anything else but a Tesla. So when they buy or make a truck, I'm getting that.
Did you ever test drive a Cybertruck before you bought this?
No.
So this is your first experience,
I still haven't driven it.
Oh yeah, we're gonna get to that.
Yeah,
We're gonna get to that. Anybody who's ordered a Tesla before, I'm pretty sure he knows as well, it comes with a Tesla referral code. So feel free, I'll put both of our referral codes down in the comments below. Everybody likes free stuff. So you can use either one of our referral codes. You can get 10,000 free supercharger miles and just some accessories you can get after the fact. So I know included in that is the free supercharger miles, which a lot of people like, the full self-driving for a couple of months, and some other things that you can get in the Tesla shop. So make sure, if you're checking out this video, check out the referral codes in the link below. So we're gonna hop in and do like a first drive. We wanna punch it a little bit to make sure, well, not to make sure I know this thing is gonna perform, but I wanna kind of see what it feels like, because my Model 3 is the 2021 version. I think the 0 to 60 was like 5.4 or something. It's almost a second, well, it's more than a second less than that. So I definitely want to feel that difference in it.
2 seconds later.
All right, I'm excited to feel the difference. Oh, damn. Dude, this thing moves. I wasn't ready for that. I hurt my stomach. Damn, that's nice, dude. How you feel, Kayla?
Going like this.
Oh, is it like different modes to put it in, or is it just gonna go that fast regardless? Drive mode. Oh. What are your impressions of like the wheels, the frame of it?
So, wheels are huge. So, to give you an idea, I'm 6'3". So, I mean, these wheels are sick, man.
Yeah, they're like massive. So, do these come with the wheel covers, or that's coming later, or
So
what?
they're coming later. So,
Okay.
it's Tesla put a stop on it for whatever reason, and then they're going to notify us, and then they'll deliver them to us whenever they go.
So, I'm assuming they work like other Tesla Aero wheel caps. You just pop it on, kind of thing.
That's what I figured. But if they're saying that they need to install them,
Yeah,
now I'm kind of questioning it. But I want to say it gives it about 10% more range.
I don't know if you know, but I think I've seen more cameras on this car than any Tesla I've seen. Because I know you can take off the side mirrors right here because they have cameras right here on the other side as well.
On the front.
Yeah, it's like, I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I know it's like 3 up here, I think.
3 up there, but there's one here, the bumper. So this is the first front-facing camera for Tesla in the bumper.
Yeah, because I don't think, and no other car has that. And are these tow hitches?
Yep.
2 tow hitches? Okay. Dang, this is nice. So it's a nice presentation here. So if you are in the Tampa area and you are gonna order a Tesla and it's coming to this location, they do a great job of preparing the vehicle for you, making it kind of look very pristine. I know you mentioned earlier you're gonna get it wrapped, but you're trying to figure out what color you're gonna get.
Yeah, I may go for something crazy.
I mean,
So,
like bright crazy, or
Not like
just
bright crazy, like
make it stand out more
something
than it already
that
is.
may change colors.
Oh
2 or 3 colors,
man, that's gonna be nice. Oh, I forgot about this. This long ass windshield wiper right here. Oh my gosh, that thing is massive. Sheesh. All right, so now that you're in the car, what do you think about it?
It doesn't do it justice when you see online.